When I work with teams, I find that there's something that stifles trust building that can be avoided if we understand something called the fundamental attribution error. Now, I learned about this in college in a social psychology class. It sounds very sophisticated, but this fundamental attribution error is just this. Human beings tend to attribute other people's negative behaviors to their character. They make an internal attribution. If someone annoys me, I will say, well, they've got a fundamental problem they have to change. If I, on the other hand, annoy other people, I will attribute it to my environment and say, I'm just having a bad day or a tough situation here. If I'm on the freeway, I cut somebody off, it's because I need to get there on time. And people are waiting for me. If someone else cuts me off, I tend to think that person is rude and has a bad attitude. This is very common, very human, but it must be avoided on teams, because if we can't understand one another and make an accurate attribution about the way people behave, we are not going to trust each other. We need to do what St. Francis said when he said, seek to understand more than to be understood. So if we can understand and avoid the fundamental attribution error, we're going to build trust more effectively and quickly on our teams.